come join me as I do my expense planning or tracking of my income and my bills. So usually before the month begins, nagtatrack po talaga ako ng mga bayarin ng fixed expenses sa calendar. This is actually a spare budget diary that I had noon. So this is what I used for the first several months since September, pero hindi ko po siya bet yung monthly plan na part. Pero sayang So for demo purposes, gagamitin natin siya ngayon. Okay? Yes. February 2026. Actually, yung 1 to 5, meron na akong meron na akong na-plot. Ito na kasi yung ginagamit ko. Kasi planner ko na to kasama So, andan na lahat. But, if you want a separate budget planner, mas okay din. So, we're just going to number the calendar first. So, February started with a Saturday. 22. Grabe no. This is 31 January. So, fast forward ko lang to guys ha. Muntik na akong mag-29. Anyway, so, hindi ko na, since we're already going into the second half of Feb, i-share ko na lang yung expected income ko. So, I get yung regular salary ko. I get it twice a month. Di quincenas po siya. So, we're going to put here payday. Ay, sorry. Dapat sa 14, no? Wala akong Anyway, dito ko na ilalagay. Kasi minsan yung HR namin, a day before nila binibigay. So, actually, andito siya. Ayaw kong mag-erasures. Wow, so Valentine's, Valentine's payday. Then yung next is the last day of the month. So, ayan, may ina-expect tayong sweldo dyan. So, what else? Meron pa akong ini-expect. Usually, mga around dito siya banda na tawagin na lang natin each. May na-expect ako na income. Sige, lagyan na natin to ng square. Payday. Okay. Tapos, meron pa akong expected na another check. Ilagay na natin sa pangalang professional fee. Ayan. Okay. So, yan siya, no? Then, we're going to plot our fixed expenses, starting with our bills. So, our bills, ito na naman tayo, yung ating utang plan. So, sandali. Andito yung ko eh. Andito yung ko ng utang. Listahan ng utang. Alright, so, we have our SPay later, which is 11,455. Tapos sa 16, we have our last pay later, which is 8,800. Naka-round off na yan guys ha. Then we have our globe. Grabe no? Ang tindi ng bills. 4,408.5. Malaki to dahil may amortization ng phone. And then we have our BPI personal loan. So, since Saturday yung 22, malaking chance na sa 23 na siya sa 24 siya magbabawas. So, BPI personal loan, malaki din po siya guys, 8256. Then we have our last S loan of the month at 594. Then we have yung BPI credit card na minimum is 10,657. Then yung G credit, ito yung sino-snowball ko na ngayon. Hopefully matatapos ko na yung G credit, masi-zero ko na siya. So, ang daming bayarin sa 26. Then dito din yung ito 27 na lang natin. Yung share ko sa sweldo ng mga helpers, 1,750. Tapos yung pinaka least favorite ko sa lahat na loan, yung home credit, not recommended, huwag mo yung kumuha. Ayan. Tapos sa 28, yung smart ko naman na ginagamit for business, 2,874. So, ayun. So, yung payday ko dito sa 14, siya po yung magko-cover ng S-Pay later ng last pay ng Globe. Tapos, ito yung additional income dito, yun po siya yung i-roll over ko hanggang dito sa personal loan. Tapos, itong naku, nag-circle talaga siya. Tapos, itong PF, siya din yung mag-cover ng iba nito. So, some of these, kukunin ko na sa sinking funds and meron kasi akong daily na income din. However, sa 26, luluwas na naman ulit ng Maynila, yung tita nyo. Wala pa akong tickets, but merong mag-sponsor ng ticket. So, I will grab this opportunity. Ay, hindi Wednesday. Ano ba? Thursday ako aalis. So, I will grab this opportunity to fly for free. Magbabayad lang ako ng hotel for several days para gagawin yung research ko. So, na-remember niyo yung research ko. So, yun. Paano naman yung mga groceries and stuff? As of now, kaka-market lang namin. If today is February 11, kaka-market lang namin. So, this is my share. So, yung next na market is this week is para sa husband ko. So, the last week will be toka ko. So, I will just put here market. Yung groceries, nag-grocery kami. Last time was February 6. So, itong grocery, ito yung share ng father-in-law ko. Sa ngayon, marami pang laman yung ref namin. So, pinipredict ko baka dito na week papasok yung grocery. So, lagay ko na lang grocery number 2. So, ayan. What else? Kakapalaundry ko lang last week. So, most probably dito yan. yung laundry. And dito na sa March 1 yung next. So, either dito or dito lang. So, wala naman kaming uniform, but I actually assigned myself different colors of a certain set of wardrobe. Yun na po yung uniform ko everyday. I started doing that even before I started doing budgeting and cash stuffing. Para iwas shopping. Mahilig ako mag-shop kahit mahirap, kahit plus size ako, pero mahilig ako mag-shop. Na-curb siya when I started doing this. So, ganun. So, tingnan natin if hopefully kakasya. So, wala namang events. Dito, ano to eh, diba? Chinese New Year. Dito, EDSA. So, even if holiday po siya, mag-consultancy work pa rin ako. So, Chinese New Year, EDSA. Yun. And we have visitors. So, lagay ko na lang dito, visitors. So, expect ko naman to na lalaki na naman yung gastos. Which is okay lang naman dahil itong mga bisita na to, special to especially sa husband ko. Isa to siya sa family, siya ng isa sa mga best friends niya nung post-grad school na. Okay? So, ano pa ba? Ay, naku, nakalimutan ko. Yung electricity, wala pa akong bill. Pero usually, dito siya lalabas. Sa 20. Dito lumalabas yung statement. Sa 20 lalabas yung statement ng electricity. So, hindi ko pa alam magkano. Water bill, wala po kaming water bill dahil, ang tawag dun, deep well yung water namin. What else? Grocery. So, yun. Yung majority ng income ko sa ngayon napupunta sa credit card. SPayLater is credit card. LastPay. Yung malalaking postpaid plans. Kasi may kasamang amortization. So, if okay pa yung phone mo, pwede namang hindi mag-renew. Pwede namang hindi kumuha ng bagong phone every 2 years. So, pwede palapasin muna or save muna. Yung na-entice kasi ako kasi wala akong ika-cash out. No? Pag kukuha ko ng premium na phone, wala akong ika-cash out. Binibigay na agad ng Globe tapos sasabihin nila, ay, gagawa lang natin ng amortization. Kasi I had this postpaid plan since I was in college. So yung mom ko yung original owner ng plan. Tapos eventually, when I started earning, she transferred it to my name for it to become my responsibility. O, diba? So, yun yung ating schedule of expenses from February 14 payday pababa. So, we have expected 4 streams of income. Actually, for February lang, 3 na lang. Payday number 1, kasi yung previous January Payday number 1, yung H at yung professional fee. Pero, meron din akong daily racket. So, ayan. And this one will cover March 1 to 15. Yung last day na payday. Okay? Unless mako-cover niya rin to. Pero, ito, hopefully, meron akong binder ng 1 month ahead So, ewan ko kailan yun matatapos. Pero, yun yung goal sana, na maging 1 month ahead. So far ngayon, ito, yung payday na to will cover the bills for March 1 to 15. Alright? So, So, hopefully, medyo maliwanag po ba? Hindi ko alam. Anyway, so, yun. See you on the next budgeting session. Actually, hindi pa siya budgeting. Planning na to siya eh. Kasi hindi ko sinabi yung mga income ko. Ayokong sabihin yung mga income ko. Baka mabash ako.